How's it going, guys? I'm Stephen Crighton. You've tuned into Crighton Pet Services, channel 4 dog walking. It's Thursday the 18th of August, it's the morning walk. If you've tuned into this channel before, you know what that means. It means I'm out with the little dogs, isn't it? Yes. Hello guys, hello. Hello Tosca. Here we go. We've got 6 dogs. We're in a park in the centre of Edinburgh, which I love, but we've not been coming to over the summer holidays because if you have a look around, it is just perfect for having a picnic, sunbathing, enjoying the sun and not wanting to be bothered by dogs. However, it's windy, it's a bit drizzly, it's cool, and the kids are back at school, so we've kind of got the place to ourselves, apart from other people doing the same thing as us, just walking their dogs and enjoying the morning. Stay with us, we're going to show you what's coming up next in our highlights, and then after the highlights we've got a bit more in-depth look at the dogs and all their play and everything that we get up to. Don't miss it, and make sure you've subscribed. For goodness sake, most people who watch these videos haven't subscribed. Make sure you've subscribed to the channel. See you at the end. Yes. Good. Dead. Dead. Good girl. Dead. Thank you. Dead. Dead. Good girl. Hang on. Do you want it, Alfie? Yes, I see you. I see you too. Oh, look at your beautiful eyes. Yes. Oh, look at your beautiful. Very good work, you guys. This is good. These guys are phenomenal. That's something we should all go to, isn't it? Isn't it? I think so. You guys all live close enough. Good Alfie, good boy. Whoa, good Tosca. Good girl, good girl. Good you guys. Cracking effort. Great tackle. What up? No one gets until we all chill out. Oh, good Alfie, you're kind of chilling out a bit. You're trying to. Good for him. Good Elsa. You're going to sit nice? Who's sitting nice? Oh, you were sitting nice, is that what you're telling me? Hang on, B. Don't you worry, buddy. You need to sit nice too. Elsa, hungry? No, just want the ball. Okay. I know. That was fun, but we need to get you on the lead. Yeah, okay. One more for you guys. It's alright, you guys. We're going. Back to the van we go. Alright guys, it's a little bit windy here and a little bit busy on the road, so we'll try and keep this brief. The dogs are back in our Trans Canine crates. We're pretty chilled out, aren't we guys? We're pretty chilled out. And we're ready to get going up the road, get them toweled off and back to their own homes. So thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed the fun that we've had, we do this every single day, every day. So if you need a little dog hit, if you need a little bit of serotonin in your life, subscribe. I think the button is over in this corner. It's my logo, this logo. Click on that logo and you'll automatically get a notification when those videos are up. And yeah, we encourage you to join our family. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.